goes the start of the game. Attacking down the left. Very good combination play. It's Gurjinder. Cross comes in. Chance. Brilliant save.
Yes, this is the first best move of the game coming from the boots of Gurjinder Kumar. That was a very good center. I think the defender should have done much better. But then again, a poor finishing by Surabuddin Malik.
Great distribution from him. It's back with Kevin. Shot, but that was a wayward attempt from the experienced campaigner.
Yes, the try should have been much better, but then we know the conditions of the ground. That was a bad try from Kevin, but then the end, this is all he needs to do. The reason, because as I said,
Struggled a bit in the opening game as well against Mohammedan Sporting. Again, a forward ball. Here comes a chance. A brilliant attempt from Suhail VP as well. Oh no, this is Surabuddin Malik. What an attempt that was.
yes, what I liked about this situation here is that even though the ball was out of his range, but look at the efforts which Surabuddin has put in.
Again, a forward lob. Header from Hitesh Sharma. But here comes an opportunity. Can he score from there? Brilliant save. Kevin Lobo and Gopi Singh combined really well. And then Gopi Singh with a final attempt.
Look at this situation here. I've said before, Ashutosh really needs to be very careful. And then again, Shankur Roy rescues the team. This should have been one up for ATK.
Again, a forward ball. Here comes an opportunity. Can he score? But brilliant attempt over there. Dispossessed by the goalkeeper, Avilash Paul. Again, the man for Surabuddin Malik.
Yes, look at this situation here. Avilash Paul has come out at the right time. The Mohun Bagan strikers or the players who are there in the box, they need to do their job.
Beautiful free kick that was. Curling in. But in the end, no trouble.
Yes, a very good defending. If you see this here, very good ball. But then a very good clearance from the defender Anil Chauhan. But here I think if Morante had to get this ball.
Fantastic run by the Spaniard. This is what we were just talking about. Nongdamba Naurem. Teasing ball in. Chance. Can he score? Almost the first goal.
Yes, that was an excellent ball from the left flank. Nongdamba Noriam, you have been talking highly about this ball, boy, and what a lovely ball that was. But then here I think the goalkeeper should have done much better, but then the credit also should be given to VP Swear. But at the end, Anil Chauhan does a fantastic job.
Josiba Bhatia in swing floater. Header just for over the bar. Fran Morante was there with the header, LV.
Yes, but what a ball that was from Bhatia. Fran Morante did almost everything, but then at the end, the ball goes above the bar.
Left-footed free kick. Fisted away by the goalkeeper.
That was a very good effort by Gurjinder Singh. We know in the past he has scored a lot of goals with his left foot.
Again, a good corner kick. Header! No goal! And a fascinating delivery from Josiba Bhatia. And a great finish from Fern Morante.
Yes, we saw almost a goal in the last corner kick. From the corner kick, almost from these two players, the Spanish players, Joseph Bhatia with the corner kick and Morante who tried. But this time, the ATK defenders couldn't stop the combination of the Spanish flow. Once again, what a goal that was from Fran Morante. But then, Bhatia with the curling corner on the right. And a great finish by Morante, giving Mohun Bagan the much needed goal that they want in this game.
Laid it on the left to Gurjinder. Cross comes in, a teasing one, header! Hits the cross piece and goes out. What a chance, what a delivery from Gurjinder. And Jesuraj could have given Mohan Bagan a 2-0 lead.
Yes, what a center that was from Gurjinder Singh. That was a great ball by Gurjinder. Jesuraj in a very good position, making a very good position for himself. But at the end, the ball hits the post and goes out.
Just a single minute added. Again, a forward ball was intended. Chance. Miscommunication. Can he score from there? No. Somehow defended. And here goes the whistle from referee Sri R. Sri Krishna. And it's half time here at the Mohan Bagan ground. Yes, and here goes the start of the second half. And straight away ATK on the attack, attacking from the left. Gopi Singh with a cross. Still there. Brilliant cut, but credit should be given with the way they had defended. Ashutosh Mehta.
Yes, but then again a very good positive start. This is the start what ATK would want to from the second half till the end of the second session.
Surabuddin, so good with the ball. And did ever so well. Surabuddin with a cross. What a move that was from Mohan Bagan.
Yeah, that was outstanding from Surabuddin. See the way he has managed to keep the ball, and that a low cross. At the end, a very good defending by the ATK stopper back Anil Chauhan for ATK.
Here comes a chance. Shot. What a finish from Joseba Bhatia. An absolute spectacular goal by the Spaniard. Out of nowhere, he gave Mohan Bagan a 2-0 lead.
That was outstanding from Joseph Bhatia. But then, what a move that was by Mohan Bagan. This is what exactly they had to do, putting the ATK under pressure from the beginning of the second half. But here, see the way Shuair has managed to keep the ball, play the ball back to Bhatia. What a run that was from Shuair, passing the ball back to Bhatia. And that was a great finish at the end, giving no chance to Avilash Paul. The scoreline, Mohan Bagan 2, ATK 0.
Well, another one. This is Komal Thatal. The brilliance, the glimpses of brilliance of this wonder kid was on the vision.
What a run that was from Komal Thatal. That was an outstanding. Look at this situation here, outplaying Ashutosh Mehta. And then Shankar Roy comes off of his line. But then at the end, what a run that was from Komal Thatal.
So Lobo is coming off, as I was mentioning, Alvi.
A free kick at a very good position for the ATK.
Prabir Das, disappointing one. He'd be utterly disappointed with this attempt, Prabir.
Yeah, much was expected from this free kick here. A player like Prabir Das should have done much better. You know your team is down by 2 goals.
Forward ball, a delightful ball on the up front, but here comes a miscommunication. Can he score from there? No! Chance! Now again!
What a miss that was. Once again, Shuair Jesuraj this time. Look at this situation here. Miscommunication between the goalkeeper and the defender. And here we see the change for Mohan Bagan. Imran replacing Shuair. So now we have to wait and see who's going to play as a up front, as a striker for Mohan Bagan.
Komal Thatal. It's still with Komal Thatal. Shot from Komal! What a strike from this wonder kid. And a magnificent stop from Shankar Roy to deny the goal.
Absolutely magnificent. But then again, the credit should be given for Komal Thatal. The way he took a shot, an unexpected shot.
Sheikh Sahil is going out. And the man who is coming in is Dhanachandra. Here comes an opportunity. Can they score? ATK on the move. And here goes the goal for ATK. That reduces the margin. And it's Ashish Pradhan who writes his name on the score sheet.
Yes, what a goal that was. A brilliant move from the midfield. Ashish Pradhan on the screen there. See the run that what he has made. But then once again, Boris, the run what he has made really put the opponent defense under pressure. And then at the end, ATK getting their first goal of this match. But I think it was Ashutosh Mehta who has made a self goal.
Here comes Salva Chamorro, LB. The man for whom we were waiting for. A long range attempt, just tipped over the bar. Once again, Komal Patel.
What a brilliant try that was from Komal Tadal. And at the end, brilliant save by Shankar Roy. That was an outstanding save by Shankar Roy. Hitesh Sharma, as we know, that he loves to play more withdrawn, but then this time he has to play the striker's role. The players needs to come down here. But then this is what frustration is all about. We are in the last minute of the game. ATK desperately needs to get a goal to stay alive in this competition.
Komal Patel deeping in just over the bar. And of course, as you said rightfully, I mean, this is the battle which the Mohun Bagan fans were waiting for so long. And here comes the victory. It's a prestige battle against ISL side ATK.